Every contract has a term. The contract term might be time-based or milestone-based. If it's time-based, then the contract will expire after a specific period measured from the effective date. A common time-based term is 12 months. At the end of 12 months, the contract automatically terminates unless otherwise extended by the parties. A milestone-based term is based on completion of a specific milestone or activity. If you hired a website designer, for example, to build you a website, then the term might be until satisfactory completion of the website. You need to be careful with basing the term on milestones. Make sure you clearly define in the contract what successful completion of a milestone looks like. Don't keep it vague or ambiguous. We never have anything like vague or ambiguous in our contracts, right?
Of course not.
I mean, you're drafting most of them and you make it like crystal clear.
Exactly.
Yeah. In contracts, Brent, those contracts, I mean, they're like pristine.
Oh, hands down.
Yeah.
The best.
Be on the lookout for automatic contract renewals too. If the contract renews automatically, then you may be obligated for additional terms like another 12 months without any way to terminate the contract. The other way to deal with contract renewals is to require advance written notice to renew. This requires affirmative action by the parties to renew the contract. How you prefer to deal with renewals will depend on your position in the deal and your negotiating power. If you're paying for a service, then you might want to require notice before any term renewal becomes effective. If you are the one receiving the money, like Emma and I were constantly receiving the money because they want us to do a service, then you likely prefer automatic renewals, which will help with client retention. Make sure you watch our video on contract termination too. The term and contract termination go hand in hand. If you need help, feel free to reach out to inprimelegal.com and schedule a strategy session, and make sure to download our contract checklist, which includes the 10 most often overlooked and underutilized provisions that should be in your contract.